Books, books, and more books were unsurprisingly the focus of the Abu Dhabi Publishing Forum, which saw young writers and distributors from 27 countries attend. Being assessed this year in workshops and panel discussions were trends in book launches and alternative ways to access more readers. This is the second edition of the forum, where industry leaders have gathered to highlight the critical role of technology in advancing the region's publishing industry. The average Arab citizen reads approximately 16 books, or for about 35 hours per year, according to the Arab Reading Index. And with more youth swiping screens rather than turning pages, innovations like Amazon's Kindle ebooks in Arabic hit the MENA market last year. So too did Storytel Arabia, an audiobook platform containing 1,000 books. Launched in 2012, Abjad is one of the earliest Arabic language platforms for digital books. It's a social network for reading, where paid subscribers can access 3,000 uploaded ebooks and share their reactions. The founder says that the application's interactive format has been the key to its success.
That created like a snowball effect, like everyone wants to have an account and also start talking about the books and tell their Facebook friends about it. So this social part really increased the readership and the appetite to read certain books.
Digital publishing continues to gain momentum in the MENA region, and e-publishing remains relatively new. There will always be authors and readers who prefer physical books. The tradition and the new forms of publishing can happily sit side by side, according to the Abu Dhabi Department of Culture and Tourism, which says that increasing readership in any way possible is the most important goal.
And the biggest opportunity today is how do you adopt modern technologies, and primarily the e-book and the audiobook, to drive this distribution up, to drive readership up.
Ibrahim Nasrallah and Dima Wannous are Arab authors who were recognized for their works in Arabic fiction in 2018. And it's hoped they will provide inspiration to young aspiring writers who want to see their works in digital and printed form one day.